Hi, it's Dr. Anderson. I'm going to be doing the Existentialism and Absurdism course, and I just wanted to first of all welcome you to the course and explain a little bit how things are going to be working here. So, we are starting with Canvas this semester, and that means that things are a little bit different than they were the last time I did this course when we did it with iLearn. So I'm going to be getting used to a couple things. I may have some things in the wrong places to begin with, but I can tell you that in general, what we are going to be doing is we're going to have a weekly schedule that we're going to try to follow. There are going to be roughly 2 different segments per week. Thereabouts, right? Because in general, this class was designed as a Tuesday, Thursday, or a Monday, Wednesday. It was designed as a 2-day-a-week course, and I still kind of plan on keeping that that intact, right? And what that means for you is that as this is an asynchronous course, you have a lot of freedom to do some of the things that you'd like to do. You can do all of the course material at once. You can break it up into little parts. Hopefully, at the very beginning of every single week, there will be at least those 2 videos available for you, if not already some discussion boxes put up, some homework to do, right? The reading to do during the week. Ideally, I'd like for you to break it up. If you have the time to do it, I'd like you to do it in 2 different segments. The reading you can do all at once. That's perfectly fine. And again, right, this is going to be your class. It's going to be your decision on how you want to do this. One thing that I would not like you to do is I do not want you to wait until Sunday night to turn in all the work for the week. Part of this class, and the part that is really the most important, is going to be that discussion participation aspect of it. How does that work, given that we are not going to be in a class that has regular hours? Well, you are going to have a group of people you're going to be working with. I'm going to assign those people probably the first week of class, right? We're going to have people coming and going the first week of class, right? People are going to be adding, people are going to be dropping. I get that. But if you're watching this right now, you're probably going to be sticking with the course. So you're going to be getting a cohort of people to work with, somewhere between 4 to 5 people. That's what I'm kind of anticipating right now. And those people are going to kind of be your core group. You're going to want to meet with or communicate with those people every single week. Those people are going to be sort of your discussion group family. You're going to be doing a project together. You're going to be working together sort of to discuss things and to talk through some of the material, because this is material that needs to be discussed. That is going to be a very important aspect of this class, and so I would like you to consider how you are going to plan on doing that, right? Whether there's going to be some regular hours you're all going to try to keep, whether you're going to try to just, pop in for a meal together at some point in time if you are all on campus together. If none of you are on campus together and you can swing a Zoom meeting every week, that would be really ideal, right? I want this course to be communicative. I want you, if you're not going to be sort of jumping into sort of our discussion groups, I'm going to have some times that I'm going to have open as well on Zoom. If you're not going to pop into those kinds of discussion groups to talk, make sure that at least you're getting some conversation with your personal group. In addition, right, the courses are going to have some discussions, right, some written responses, some forum type posts. I know that not everybody loves those kinds of things, but those are going to be important as well as far as interaction and discussion goes, right? So just to begin with, right, in this brief little 5-minute video to begin with, the thing that's the most important, welcome to the course. I'm excited to have you here. We've got a lot of reading to do. We've got a lot of things to learn. It's going to be an exciting time. Make sure that you know who's going to be in your discussion group and that you start communicating with those people. Make sure that you know what the readings are going to be and that you are going to be doing that reading and that interaction every single week, and make sure that you have a way to manage your time effectively so that you're not just throwing everything together last minute at the end of the week, right? We're going to be as communicative as possible. So I look forward to seeing you in this class. This little 5-minute video is over, but we're not done yet.